And should it have add-ons? Here's an excerpt from Money, Money, Money.
The first thing one should look at is the life insurance as a goal plan, because other things will of no use if the person is not there. When you say that 15 years you invest, whether mutual fund or any other thing, first thing should be goal planning aspect is that life insurance and medical insurance. These are the important aspects one should look at. Second, when it comes to be insurance as a chapter, you know, I strongly believe that insurance and investment should be kept separate.
Okay.
So you have
so you're the purists. You know, most of the experts that we get on this show, I can tell you this, are the purists who say that insurance and investments are best kept separate. So you're in that camp.
I'm in that camp, and I'm very clear about it that insurance key job is to protect you against any adversity, to help you achieve your dreams and your goals, irrespective of whether you are there or not there, and then to give you a risk-adjusted life as well as to make you live a sleep-adjusted life, so that you should not be bothered about that, boss, what is going to happen if I'm not there. That's the purpose of insurance. So you have to protect yourself against 3D. Now again there is a term which I'm using, which is your death, disease and disability, which is going to be given by term plan only. And I'm actually thankful to you also that because we have started talking about this, we have to do this show, we have done a lot of research on this, and we have come out with few of the examples what we've been doing. So
let me just quickly, add on here what Kshitij is talking about. So the premise of this show is to look at term plans with a twist, because pure term plans have been around, but nowadays you do get product manufacturers offering you certain additional benefits. I mean, you can club in health insurance along with your term plan. You can cover critical illnesses along with your term plan. Those are the kind of products that we will discuss. But before we get that, just the basics of the term plan itself, the sort of premiums that you'll have to pay, and I think a 1 CR cover is very, very easily to get in a term plan, right?
So I think one important part which for the benefit of all the viewers who are watching this show is that the basic term plan is that for a given period of time it will give you a cover for a given premium which you choose. Let's say 50 lakh 1 crore, and there is no payback after the completion of term. Let's say if you survive the entire term, there is no payback. It is just covering you that if in any situation or adversity of demise of the given individual, it will service that amount to your family if you are having that same incident happening in that term.
Sure.
So after the term is completed, there is nothing been given.
You don't get anything back.
Yeah, that's a basic term policy which is there. Now, the premium is as low as for a crore, which is start for 30-35 years guy with 15,000-16,000 rupees a year, which breaks down to be 1,200-1,300 rupees a month only. But then it is covering you for that 1 CR.
It's a big cover that you get.
It's a big cover which you're getting. So it's like dining out in a month. You just taking out one dine out and just covering yourself for a insurance. And surprisingly, only 3.9% of the population is covered here in India.
Okay. Life insurance, you're saying.
Life insurance I'm talking about, and it has decreased from this last year.
Wow.
So point is that I'm not here to talk about that we should keep on buying insurance. We are here to talk about that term plan is something which one should
basic form, the first insurance step that you need to take.
Even government is covering most of the underprivileged people with a minimum premium of 1,500 rupees with a 2 to 3 lakh of term plan also. So that's a basic thing which you require. So one thing is this. Second thing, when you talk about a term, it gives you an edge in terms of going out and doing things which you have never done. In terms of like, okay, somebody is not covering himself or herself. Every time you have to be in that tension that boss, what is going to happen next? How I'm going to service things. But once you have things which are plugged in terms of your term insurance, then you can look at investing other things also.
Exactly. So again, I am completely with you on this. The first thing that you need to do after your health insurance needs have been met is to look at a term plan. The term plan, as you explained, typically doesn't pay you anything back.
No.
It's pure protection.
So you can say the old avatar of term plan used to be like this. Now couple of insurance manufacturers have started paying back also. Just to add, HDFC and Tata is giving return of the entire premium after the completion of the term.
Wait, hang on. So you're saying this is a term plan? But you get something back if you survive the term of the policy?
You don't get any return, only the premium which you have paid, you get that premium back.
The entire premium back?
Entire premium back. But in that case, the premium which they charge on a yearly basis is a little high vis-a-vis the normal premium which you get in other policies.
Okay, how much higher? Any
so it's 15% higher normally vis-a-vis other. But if you think that you're buying for 30 years, and if you think that you're going to survive and you want something out of the term plan also, that there is an option given with this type of
Okay, so
manufacturers
15%.
also.
I think this is something very interesting that people can keep in mind.
Yeah.
If you're willing to fork out 15% higher premium,
Right.
then you can look at products, term plans, where in case you survive the entire term of the policy, you actually get your entire money back, your entire premium amount back.
Right, without any returns. That's a premium only.
Sure, but the premium comes back.
Yeah, premium comes
without
So-
any returns.
So
yeah.
there are new things, and with the new avatar, you know, it's
So
not
HDFC is one you
Tata.
mentioned, and Tata.
Tata and
Okay.
HDFC, they are doing right now. And
Okay.
I believe as and when we go, you know, many
Market
other
expands, yeah.
market expand,
Yeah,
other
yeah.
people will also start coming out with
Okay.
these type of policies.
Now you're getting these term policies with some sort of, health insurance covers thrown in.
Right.
What sort of products are these?
So the very basic idea of term plan initially was to just give a cover. But as and when, you know, the industry is evolving and we are learning from countries from West also that, you know, you have to give a complete package in terms of, covering the client. So one is obviously term has been used only and only by the nominee of the insured guy.
Yeah.
But there's no benefit which actually insured guy is getting.
That's true.
So in case of, let's take for example, somebody has bought a term plan of 1 year and he met with the accident and now he has been disabled to work and maybe he has some critical illness, let's say a heart problem or a cancer problem. There is no cover for that.
So unless he's bought those covers separately as part of his health
yeah.
insurance plan, I mean, the term
no-
policy doesn't do
term
anything for him.
doesn't do anything.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know. So what they have done is there are very minimum amount of additional premium they have added to the policy, and they have taken out and form a structure wherein the client is going to get benefit out of the entire piece.
Okay.
That's what we have done. So let me talk about, first of all, let's say about accidental cover, you know, which is there. This is the most important part. Now, when you talk about accidental cover, you see there are 4,000 deaths on a daily basis in India because of accident, out of which 80% of deaths are on road. Now, when I'm talking about these deaths, you know, when you have a term policy which is of 1 year, normally if something will happen to someone, you'll get 1 year. Now, with as low as amount of 800 to 900 rupees on a monthly basis addition to the existing term plan, you can get a 1 year plus accidental cover also. So let's
Okay.
take example, somebody has taken a term policy at 30 for 30 years. And if nothing happened to him after 60, nothing will be paid.
Yeah.
Let's say if he died because of some natural cause at 56 or 57, his nominee will get 1 year.
Yeah.
If he died because of accident, you know, after 5 years only, then his nominee will get 2 CR. Now to look at the difference which I want to share with you for us. For 1 CR of policy. I've taken example of two companies, ICICI.
Well, actually, before we get down to the cost, let me understand this. Now, you're talking about a term plan along with an accident cover.
Yeah.
In which case, if in an unfortunate instance,
Right.
this 30-year-old happens to meet with an accident,
Right.
and then he or she passes away,
Right.
then the nominee gets the 1 CR of the term cover
Plus
plus
1
the 1
CR
CR of the accident cover.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is in event of actual death.
Yeah.
That's how the 2 CR gets paid out to the nominee.
Yeah. This is called accidental death benefit.
It's the accidental death benefit. So
Yeah.
if you have accidental injury, then this is not the
No,
product.
this is not.
Okay.
This is
Okay,
accidental
okay.
death benefit.
Okay.
So I've taken example of two companies,
Sure.
ICICI and HDFC. In case of ICICI, if you buy a normal term, let's say 35-year guy, a normal term of 1 year, he has to pay close to about 17,610 rupees. That's for 1 crore for a 35-year guy.
Okay.
And in HDFC, that's 17,575. Almost same, 50-60 rupees here and there.
Okay.
But if you buy an accidental death cover of 100% cover, which is like 1 CR plus 1
1
CR,
CR, yeah.
then the additional premium which he has to pay for a year is only 5,600 rupees, along with 17,000.
Oh, so along with 17,000, an additional fork out of about 5,600.
Which is 480 rupees on a monthly basis. And you're covered for
You're
a
doubling your
of-
cover.
You're doubling your cover.
Yeah.
So look at the type of risk which is there. I'm talking about the numbers of people
Sure.
which are getting died because of accidents. I think this is one of the very good features that they have added.
Okay.
So this is the one feature, first feature.
This is the accidental death cover. So if
Death
you're
benefit.
interested, if you think you can afford that kind of premium, if you want that kind of security net around your family, the nominees that you have in mind, then the accidental death cover can immediately really raise the cover amount itself. It can double your cover. That's the one aspect of
So
it.
my suggestion is if somebody is saying that I want to add on more premium to this, then reduce existing cover by 25 lakh.